So this tiny little Bluetooth adapter is going to allow you to convert your wired headphones into wireless Bluetooth headphones, and also allow you, using this little converter on top, to stream Bluetooth music through a car stereo or any other stereo that's got an input with a 3.5mm socket on there. So plugging this made up like that into your car is really easy. Plug it straight in there, go through the pairing process. If you pre-tune yourself, get your car stereo all set up on the auxiliary port, you can actually hear the voice prompts of, you know, powered up, pairing mode, and then connected. It all kind of comes through there, which is brilliant. And then you just go to your phone, stream the music you want to do as if you're streaming it to any other Bluetooth device. It's that simple. Now it's dead simple process, simple pairing up on there, and then basically plug it into your car kit via the little adapter, play from your phone, and that's it. So if your car hasn't got a Bluetooth way of streaming from your phone, this is going to work great for that. And then when you've done connecting it up to your vehicle or another input device, you take that little adapter off, you go to your wired headphones. Here I've got some Bose QC20s. You simply pop them in the top, you put in your headphones. Like I say, these are very old Quiet Comfort QC20 Bose headphones, noise cancel and everything, which I've not used for years, basically because they've got a connection on the end, and none of my phones have had a connection on the end for ages. And this turns them into Bluetooth headphones. Obviously it doesn't need to be Bose QC noise cancelling headphones. It can be any wired headphones that you really like, whether they're over ear, in ear, or anything else. This will just convert it into a Bluetooth receiver. It's brilliant. It plugs into a USB micro USB connector down the bottom for its charge, and so far I've had around about 11 hours playback through this, straight playback on a flight, and it was absolutely brilliant. No crackle noise, no breakup of the signal or anything like that. And then it actually says, you know, that the low power voice prompt comes through the earphones, and you know, you can actually sort of just plug it into charge. Now the other great thing about it is that you can still charge it while you're using it. So if you've got a power bank or something like that with you, then obviously just plug the power in, carry on using it, and off you go. So if you've got any questions or anything like that about this, or if you've got any comments you want to make about this that you've got one yourself, then obviously leave them in the comments section down below. I've placed a link in the video description, so if you just expand the video description, there's a link in there where you can buy this off Amazon. As always, if you've liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you know anybody else that might be interested in this little thing, and why not, everyone wants Bluetooth music sharing these days, then share the video with them on social media. And obviously, if you've not already, please consider subscribing. And until the next time, take care, and I'll see you again. Bye.